Smart fabric, accurate and efficient. Henan Mine, an automatic fabric crane crafted for a company. Frequency accuracy. Speed regulation is absolutely straight. Encoder positioning is not bad. Run like water. More stable, more accurate, and more energy efficient. Facing the challenge of high temperature dust. Hydraulic gate system drive toughness. No fear of harsh working conditions. Open and close freely. Stable, reliable, and guaranteed. Global control. At a glance. Support for remote centralized control through human-machine interaction and video surveillance. The operating status of the system is under control. 1. Click Start. Worry-free throughout the process. Deeply integrated automation system. Seamless linkage of the original feeding equipment. 1. Click Feeding. Automatic fabric efficient operation. Worry-free and labor-saving. Henan Mine with reliable quality and intelligent technology help explore industries to improve efficiency towards new heights of manufacturing.